Hello, hi everybody. This is Dave Wallace coming to you from my home here in Wahiawa, Hawaii, and I'm doing feedback for the Powerball, which was drawn tonight, 2nd of March 2022. And the reason why I started a little early on this, if you take a look at my form, it's changed a bit, and so I wanted to experiment and so did pretty good. Okay, and what you're looking at is the number matrix representing the numbers that either showed up or were lost during the last 20 draws. And this row right here are numbers. There are numbers that in the last 20 draws appeared 4 or more times. Then the one right below here are numbers that showed up three times in the last 20 draws. Then here you have numbers that showed up twice in the last 20 draws. Then here you have here the B numbers. They're numbers that showed up once in the last 20 draws. And what was missing from my last matrix that I was using as the lost numbers, these are numbers that did not show up in the last 20 draws. So I wanted to track that. And when you take a look at the numbers that were drawn tonight, the numbers drawn tonight were 19, 37, 48, 61, 63, and the Powerball was 12. I was able to hit 3 of the numbers and was one off in the other 3. Okay, and looking at the numbers, examining the numbers, starting off with the most repeated number, a number that appeared 3 times in the last 20 draws was 63, the number 63. And it's an extra large number and it's a hot number, so it's a number that showed up quite often in the last 200 plus draws. And then you have 3 numbers that appeared at least twice in the last 20 draws, and that number was 48, which is a big and hot number, and 37, which is a medium and cold number, and then you have 61, which is an extra large and a hot number. Okay, and then the final number that was drawn is a number that was lost. And the lost numbers that did not appear in the last 20 draws, but suddenly appeared, is the number 19 right here. And number 19 is a small and ice cold number. Okay. In fact, a lot of these numbers in the lost numbers are ice cold. This is an I right there, and you can see the I is here. So these are numbers that are ice cold. They have not showed up in quite a while, and some of them are coming back into play. So this is a new format that I'm using, and I like the results. It's doing pretty well. Okay. And anyway, so next week Friday, I will be posting for the Powerball, and we should by then we should reach the trigger a point for me to start playing. And actually this one, these sets of numbers, actually I won $4, okay, with the 12 as the Powerball. So but next week Friday I should be posting for the Powerball. Okay, and until next week Friday, this is Dave Wallace from Wahiawa, Hawaii, saying mahalo for watching and aloha.